Time doesn't owe you anything. Time doesn't belong to you. But you have this moment right now. Whatever mistakes you've made, you're still here. Make every day count. What plans do you have today? How much peace do you have in your heart? Where do you want to go from here in your life? What are your plans for the rest of your life? Don't waste your time doing nothing. This is the moment to look within yourself and know that you must make every day count. Tomorrow doesn't belong to you. Feeling sorry for yourself won't help. We all go through tough times, but you can't stay neutral. You have to press on. For each day you live, for each day you breathe, there's a chance. Each day you open your eyes, there's a chance. So let's go. If you say you're not going to make it, you won't. But if you say you must make it, you will. It's my time, and I've got to put in the work. I have to be hungry enough to go after it each and every day. I understand it will never be easy. I understand that I have to work, but I will not give up. I know I have to work. I know I have to believe. I know I have to trust in myself, because that's the power, ladies and gentlemen. That is the ultimate truth. Believing. You have to stand on it every day. Tomorrow doesn't belong to any of us. Tomorrow is already setting the stage for what's coming. So let's go and live. Open up your mindset and live. Feel your heart beating and live. No one is perfect, but we have to do our best to do what we must to carry on. Get up at 3 in the morning because it's silent. It's easier to focus when your environment is focused. Most of you wake up and immediately try to make money. Listen to me. If you focus on improving yourself, the money will come to you. You missed that. Let me say it again. If you focus on becoming a better person, you'll make more money. Now, pay attention to what I do. The way people spend their money or treat their money is how I treat my time. Let me explain. I make sure that every single day in that 24-hour period, I'm getting a whole bunch of wins. I have a schedule and I stick to it. The problem with most of you is that you wake up and worship money. When you become number one, opportunities come to you. I didn't become number one by being better than anyone else. I mastered my craft to the point where I do what nobody else can do. I carved out my own niche in the industry. Your problem is you're giving 50% effort and expecting the results of someone giving 100%. It doesn't work because you're not them. Why do I put more emphasis on time than on money? Because they print money every day. They don't print time. Let me say that again. You are worshiping something they make every day, but they don't make time every day. I've never met anyone who can create more time. So why are you spending more time on something that is abundant instead of something that is limited? It's because you're not developing yourself and you're following others.
When you understand that time is the real asset, you start focusing on your time. And when you get your time right, money will follow. Some people visit Dubai once every 10 years. I go every other month. Why? Because when you master yourself, you put yourself in a position where few can compete with you. You become rare, like a diamond, and that's why diamonds are valuable. If you become rare, you will stand out. When you leave this room, take full ownership of your life. It's my fault, even when it's not my fault, because if I say it's your fault, I give you power over my life, and I will never give that power to anyone else. It's my fault, my problem, and I will find the solution. Average people can't forgive or let go. The great ones do whatever it takes. Those who have a why can bear almost any how. How did I become number one in the world? When I found out my wife had multiple sclerosis, they told her to quit her job. My wife's identity was tied to her work as a registered nurse. When she had to quit, she was lost. I asked her how much she made and did the math. $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year, $1.8 million over 30 years. I woke up every day driven to make that $1.80 million. I'm number one not because I'm the best speaker, not because I look the best or dress the best or have the best enunciation or infrastructure. If you're waking up every day wanting a Rolls Royce, a Bentley, a gold chain, or a Rolex, you won't beat me. My drive comes from something deeper. I'm fighting for my wife, my high school sweetheart. I'm making sure my kids can see their mom healthy, not in a wheelchair if I can help it. I'm doing everything I can so she doesn't lose her sight or her memory. Started studying MS like my life depended on it. Your problem is you're not studying your craft with that kind of intensity. You're treating it like a game. You're like those people who want a paycheck but don't put in the work. But those who succeed treat their work as if they own it. Every single day, I'm making sure my wife doesn't have to go back to work. I researched and found out 2 key things about MS: stress and vitamin D. I had to remove her from stressful situations and ensure she got enough vitamin D. People asked me why I moved to Southern California. It was for my wife's health. I looked up the best place for vitamin D and the best climate in the US, and it was San Diego. San Diego has the perfect weather, so we moved there. Last year, my wife told me something amazing. She said she never needed a nap in California because the sun energized her. You need to find your why. Most of you can't keep going because your why isn't strong enough. When life beats you down, your reason for fighting has to be stronger than the pain. You're aiming for millions, but life will test you. When you get knocked down, you need to stay down unless your why is strong enough to get you back up. Life will throw punches and you'll feel the pain, but your why must push you through it. Every trial, every challenge, I push through with sheer willpower. It doesn't matter if it's cancer or MS, I will my way through it. It doesn't matter if you're struggling with school or trying to get a degree, push through it. If you fail the boards, take them again. If you fail the law exam, go again.
Will your way through it. Some things you can skill yourself through, but some stuff you have to will your way through. If you're in a bad position in your life, find a way out because no one is going to save you. Save yourself. You don't have time to waste because every second of every day counts. Get busy right now because once it's over, you won't get it back. Life doesn't offer second chances once it's over. You are not here to do nothing with your life. Right now is all you have. And if tomorrow is promised, do something with it. Speak life. Think about life itself. Here today, gone tomorrow. Each day you live is a chance to win. No one is promised another breath or to wake up the next day. All you have is this moment, this day. So do things that will better you because the time you have is limited. Pride can take you down, but love will lift you up. Find something you believe in, something that will lift you when you're down. Don't think tomorrow is going to wait for you. The moment you close your eyes might be your last. Too many people are no longer here. They had a chance but didn't take it. They didn't better themselves, didn't take care of their health, and didn't get their minds in the right place. They spent too much time wasting it. Don't let that be you.